Your CELPIP test is tomorrow. Don't panic. I've got your back. In this fast study guide video, I'll walk you through exactly what to do in the next 24 hours so you stop wasting time and squeeze out every possible point when it counts. Let's jump straight in. Normally, I'd say rest completely the day before, sleep early, eat light, stay calm, because science proves relaxation sharpens memory and focus. But if you're watching this, you're probably in crunch mode. So here's the smart, fast plan for tomorrow's test. Number 1. Quickly review your KPIs, your key performance indicators. Don't guess how you're doing, look at the facts. Pull up your recent practice test scores from the official simulator, mock exams, or your tracking sheet. Check all 4 sections: reading, listening, writing, speaking. Compare them to your target, usually 9 to 12 for most immigration goals. If your reading and listening are already at or above target, great. You've demonstrated you can handle them under timed pressure. Stop obsessing over them today. Redirect every minute to writing and speaking. These are where most people lose the biggest points last minute. If your scores are still short, don't freak out. Use the next steps to fix what you can fast. Number 2, hit the 80-20 rule hard for writing and speaking. This is the magic principle. 80% of your score comes from just 20% of what you do. So stop chasing perfect grammar or rare words. Examiners don't need Shakespeare. They want clear, organized, natural responses that directly answer the task. For writing, whether it's task 1 like an email or responding to a survey, or task 2 like an opinion essay, keep it simple and efficient. Spend about 3 to 5 minutes planning a clear structure, a short introduction, 2 to 3 body points, and a quick conclusion. Use basic connectors like first, additionally, for example, and in conclusion to make your ideas easy to follow. Make sure you answer every part of the prompt and stay on topic the whole time. Your goal is a natural flow, around 150 to 200 words for task 1 and about the same for task 2. You don't need fancy vocabulary. Clear ideas matter more. For speaking, across all 8 tasks, focus on the high-impact ones that can boost your score fast. Task 1 where you give advice, Task 2 where you describe a scene, Task 6 where you give an opinion, and Task 8 where you describe a situation. For every response, use a simple structure. Start with 1 or 2 sentences to introduce your main idea, then explain it with 1 or 2 examples, and wrap up with a short ending. Speak naturally, like you're chatting with a friend. Fluency and clear pronunciation will beat complicated sentences every time. To lock it in, review 1 or 2 templates or structures you've practiced before. Then record yourself once or twice today, just 5 to 7 minutes maximum. Listen back and fix only the obvious issues like hesitations or going off topic. That's it. No marathon cramming. Number 3, trust your prep and force yourself to relax. You've put in the hours already. Panicking erases points. Stay calm to perform at your best. Do a light walk, breathe deep, visualize walking out feeling good. Eat normal food, hydrate, avoid caffeine overload. Get 7 to 8 hours sleep tonight. No all-nighters. Hard truth time. If you barely prepared, tomorrow won't magically jump you 3 levels. CELPIP measures real skills, not luck. Do your best. But if you can clearly feel you're short, don't burn another test fee without a smarter prep plan next time. If you can, invest in feedback. It pays off fast, especially if you're aiming for your future in Canada or Australia. For today, keep it simple. First, spend about 10 minutes reviewing your KPIs so you know exactly what the test is looking for. Then do a focused 80-20 drill for writing and speaking, about 30 to 45 minutes total, just structures, clarity, and staying on task. After that, either do a very light review or stop completely and rest. You'll perform better with a fresh brain than with last-minute cramming. Tomorrow, treat it like a professional appointment. Arrive around 45 minutes early so you're not rushed. Remember, doors can close before the test starts, so don't cut it close. Bring your ID, follow instructions, and keep your mindset calm and steady. Your goal is clear, organized answers, not perfection. You've worked hard, now finish strong. Good luck tomorrow. You got this. See you in the next video.